So the power delivery is good, and this fuse is good. That can only mean we got something messed up somewhere else, which, if I spy with my little eye down there, mouse damage. I'm not seeing any copper. It looks like they just chewed through the casing, or the outer wrap, which would be best case scenario. Looks to me like it's time to start taking all this off. Pop these covers off. Get them all lined up. But I don't want to. Nylock nut. Screws that hold this wiper assembly on before pulling off this connector right there. Right there. A couple pop around the ring. Just gotta pop all the pop clips, and it should come right out.